question about the Jews that survived exile, also about Jerusalem. They answered me, they are back and they're in great trouble. Broken's the wall of Jerusalem. When I heard these things, I sat down, cried and wept for some days, fasted and prayed for Jerusalem. Oh Lord God, let your eyes and ears be open, have mercy on Jerusalem. I rely on the covenant and on the promise that you gave us. I believe in your faithfulness and in your power. You are my everything. Rebuilding the temple of the living God, restoring the kingdom of the living God. During night, I set out with a few men I knew to inspect the walls of Jerusalem. It broke my heart, but for their sake I had to bear it. I had to give all that I can. Tear down the strongholds of the broken-hearted and rebuild the walls of Jerusalem. Oh, let us start rebuilding with the love that He is healing the broken hearts according to His plan. I rely on the covenant and on the promise that you gave us. I believe in His faithfulness and in His power. He is my everything. Rebuilding the temple of the living God, restoring the kingdom of the living God, rebuilding the temple of the living God, restoring the kingdom of the living God. Rebuilding the temple of the living God, restoring the kingdom of the living God, rebuilding the temple of the